Sa katong gusto nga ma-productive ang ilang adlaw, baka nagtinguha nga ma-healthy, andama na ang inyong towel o extra shirt, kay kita magpaugnat na.
They were sailing the night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking he had done because Castilla it at waray-waray man.
DJ Ronnie.
When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Rahahong upon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore. At Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to camouflage. Mactan Island we could not grab, 'cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at noon. Oars and spears versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was
Nice one. Dungan ta mga kapuso, ma-inspired to stay productive and stay active, di ba, Nix?
Mind over matter lang yun na sin man ang dapat timan-an kay usahay mo abot man yun ang katapol.
Oo, oy, makarelate jud ang tananana. Pero sige lang, balag maka-absent, the next day, proceed na po sa next activity, di ba?
Consistent lang kapuso.
Yeah.
Busa, sa mga fitness enthusiast diha, pwede kayo nga mo share mo sa inyong fitness routine gamita palihog hashtag 3Minute Fitness o hashtag GMA Regional TV Live. I-post ang inyong easy to follow steps kay ato kining i-share sa atong mga viewers.